on camera, so it's only gonna sound so loud. You can feel the trunk rattling a little bit. Like I said, I don't want nothing too loud.
I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. Niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. I'm probably in your city coolin' with them cutters on the dash. Niggas actin' they ain't foolish, boy, you know we on your ass. Chopper rearranging shit like a nigga lost his dad. All that capping on the net, 100 shots, I want them dead. 100 shots, I want them dead. Niggas capped out, man, they scared. Drop that Addy and I'm there. Best believe I'm coming fast. These niggas hate, they really fans. I'm on your block, I want my man. Pop his ass just like a pill. His bitch shooting.
Alright, what's good, YouTube? So what we're gonna be doing today is getting these speakers installed in the Wild Body Scat, man, because unfortunately I did not get the Harman Kardon stereo system, and I mean, the Alpine system that they say is in here is decent, but I do miss my bass. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got it installed here. These are two Rockford phosphate P3s. I don't really want too much right now. I'll probably swap those out later, but I got these from my boy just to get something back here for the meantime. But let me show you guys how you can install it without having to go in and tap into your radio. Because one thing a lot of people don't know is the kit to tap into the radio harness is like $700. So that's a waste of money when you can tap it into the rear speakers for free. All right, so stay tuned. I'll show you how we get that done. All right, so I did already put the liner back up, but as you guys can see here, there's wires running down. So you have your two speakers back here, pretty much. There's two speakers. All right, what you'll want to do is get a positive and a negative wire, and you want to run a positive to one side, to one speaker, and a negative to the other speaker. It doesn't matter which one you do. It just needs to be positive, negative, or positive, negative, you know, one way or the other. All right, you don't want to have them both on the same speaker. That'll allow you to get your sound to come through, get power in, and then run everything to the amp. All right, so into the amp here, as you can see here, we've got them spliced in. So they come spliced into our cords here. All right, we've got a ground, our battery power, and we've got our memory. And then I've also got my cords bridged here, got everything plugged up. All right, and to get ground back here in the back, so what I did, I drilled a little hole right here in the back in this back panel. I scraped off all of the paint around it to make sure, you know, it got a good connection. And then I put some electrical tape over it just so it's not exposed. All right, and then you grounded it right here. All right. I also ran the power back here to the battery. All right, I've got the fuse back there by the battery, so it's as close to the battery as possible. And you can pop this piece up here and slide the power cord there so it's just not floating around. All right, so that's pretty much how everything is plugged up. I need to hook these up into the speakers. Once I hook these up to the speakers, I'm good to go. All right, guys, so we finally got everything hooked up here. Let me turn the car off really quick. All right, let's just go ahead and show you guys how the finished product looked really quickly. All right, so we got the speakers back here. All right, nice and out the way. Nothing fancy, because, you know, I ain't building this so far, so I didn't need no nice speakers. I might do a custom box later or something, but right now that's all I need. All right, and then we've got the amp back here. I switched the amp size because that amp is so big, I couldn't close my seat with it on that one, so I had to move them around. All cords are hidden back there up under that back panel. These are the speaker cords, of course, so you can't see those. They're behind that. And then, of course, as you know, I said earlier, I tapped into the rear speakers back here. All right, so we've got everything done. Let me go ahead and crank the car up really quick and see if I can show you guys how it sounds inside and outside of the car. Alright guys, so as you can see, we finally got it hooked up. This is how it sounds on the outside. Now of course, you know, it is on camera, so it's only gonna sound so loud. You can feel the trunk rattling a little bit. Like I said, I don't want nothing too loud, because this is my daily. But I do miss my bass, man, so I had to put something in here just to, you know, add a little bit of more bass in the trunk, a little bit more sound to the car. Let's hop in and see how it sounds.
I might just break it down, front it to your feet. Gas leaking, shit, this thing smell like an asshole. Pull up to me, drive through just like a cash toll. Shot it jugging like a fool, I let them bags go. How many more you want? I drop the tag. Trapping on out with my partner, trapping on out, have a party. I broke a zipper right off at the corner of the bridge, jump at the stars. Always said want me a Jag, but none of them got me a Jag. I want me a Rari. I ran it on up from a quad. I beat it down harder. The child beat, run it back just like a track meet. Pull up on me, child, reach like a galley.
Alright, so comment down below, man. Let me know what you guys think. These little fix, like I said, I got the speakers from my homeboy. Went ahead and installed them myself. So it's pretty easy because everything was already wired up. So I just had to, you know, plug and play, put everything back to the way he had it in his car. Alright, we all stay tuned, man. We got some more coming up. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my shot with me. All the smoke in this air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump, it was violent, it's never peace. I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so I bought me some food and got on my feet. They say that they watching, they after me. I'm a beast with this shit like an athlete. Just know that I'm bout it like Master P. Ain't no lacking, no cap in my strap with me. All that smoke in the air, ain't no shots for free. From the jump, it was violent, it's never peace. They swear that they bout it like Master P. Run that check up, no flex up, them rats with me. Got her all on my dick, know this shit ain't free. She said that they gas, she wrapped the weed. I feel like I'm Chester, I'm Bama cheese. Try to chase me a bag, now it's after me. No, we not the same, boy, you out my league. We zip to the zoo, y'all a different breed. See, I was so hungry I couldn't eat, so